Hello learners. Today in this session we are going to learn about soil physical properties. Physical properties or mechanical behavior of a soil greatly influence its use and behavior towards plant growth. The plant's support, root penetration, drainage, aeration, retention of moisture and plant nutrients are linked with the physical condition of the soil. Physical properties also influence the chemical and biological behavior of soil. These properties also depend on organic matter content and pore spaces. There are four important physical properties of soil. First is soil texture, second is soil structure, third is surface area, fourth is soil porosity. Soil texture refers to the relative proportion of particles, or it is the relative percentage by weight of three soil separates, which is sand, silt and clay, or you can simply refer to the size of the soil particle. The proportion of each size group in a given soil, the texture cannot be easily altered, and it is considered as a basic property of a soil. Now we will understand about the soil structure. The arrangement and organization of primary and secondary particles in a soil mass is known as soil structure. Soil structure controls the amount of water and air present in soil. Plant roots and germinating seeds require sufficient air and oxygen for respiration. Bacterial activities also depend upon the supply of water and air in the soil. Now, the soil porosity refers to the fraction of the total soil volume that is taken up by the pore space. It was stated by Nemo in 2004. Mainly, pore spaces facilitate the availability and movement of air or water within the soil environment.